guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I'm Ankita and I make so many different types of videos, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, go and subscribe my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to share my hair care routine, as you people requested me from a long time to upload my hair care routine video. And as you people already read the title of this video and you came here to know how to stop hair fall, so this video is related to this topic, that how I stopped my hair fall by using all the products and following the schedule. So honestly, I'm using all the products and following this schedule from last 2 months, and as I promised that if it will work for me, then I'm definitely going to upload a video. So without any further ado, let's proceed with the video. So firstly, let's talk about the hair oil which helped me to stop my hair fall 50%. I won't say 100% because you have to follow all the schedule and all the products so that you can achieve your goal, that is stopping your hair fall. So I'm talking about this hair oil. This is onion black seed hair oil from Wow Skin Science, and I have already made a review video about this product, so you can check that out also. I will give the link on my description box, you can check that out. This actually works and this helped me a lot to stop my hair fall. And secondly, I use another hair oil that is a mixture of different types of hair oil like coconut oil, almond oil, and many more different types of hair oil that also works. So you can choose anyone according to your choice. So let's talk about what we can use instead of oil. Like sometimes we need to oil our hair, but we have to go somewhere and we have to skip this part. So I have something for you. I'm talking about this product, Open Hair Miracle. This one is from Pantene. So you can use this one. I won't say this will help you to stop your hair fall, but I like this product because you can replace this product with your hair oil. So you can try this one. That's why I'm showing this product in this video. So now let's talk about shampoos. So I'm a person who never stick to a particular shampoo. So I will going to show you different types of shampoos in this video. So you can choose yours one according to your hair type. And I will give you basic details about each shampoos. So the first shampoo which I love to use is this one, is from Garnier. This is Garnier Ultra Blends Deep Nourishing Shampoo. So they claims that it will make your hair silkier, smoother and shiner. And this one is specially for dry and undernourished hair. And this is paraben free also, so you can definitely go with this one. So people like me who have oily scalp and dry ends, you can definitely go with this one. This is really a good purchase for me. I love to use this one, and this is a quite mild shampoo, but especially I love the fragrance of this shampoo. So the next shampoo which I use is this one, is from Head and Shoulder. So this one is Head and Shoulder Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, which will make your hair smooth and silky. And they claim that it will removes your dandruff, but I don't know about the dandruff. But personally, you maybe saw this product on my last Nykaa haul video, where I bought the smaller bottle of this one and I like that one. That's why I purchased the bigger one. So people who have oily scalp and oily ends, so you can definitely go with this one. I love to use this one, so I use this one. So the third option I have for you is this one, is from Assure. So this is Assure Deep Cleanse Shampoo enriched with lemon and thyme extract. This is specially for oily hair, who have oily scalp, oily hair. They claim this thing, but if you ask me, I will say the result is the opposite. You will never feel that your hair is deeply cleansed by using this shampoo. So people who have dry scalp, and sometimes people who wants to wash their hair without hair oil, you can go with this one. This one is available on maybe online, I don't know. I get this one from my brother. This one is actually gifted, but I like this one, and this one is okay for me. I don't like this one so much, but you can go with this one who have dry scalp and dry hair. So let's talk about what I intake to make my hair strong. So I'm talking about these gummies. This is from Purna. Actually, this is my second bottle. You will get 30 gummies. So I have already finished 1 month challenge where I have already finished the 30 gummies. This is my second bottle, and it will be wrong if I say that it will only makes my hair strong. This is wrong. This is helpful for your whole body. And one more information, if you are going to take this product, means these gummies, you have to consult with doctor if you are pregnant or you are lactating, or if you are under any treatment or you are taking any medications. So you have to consult your doctor before taking this one. So people like me who have no issues like pregnant, lactating or under any medications, you can definitely go with this one. You can go with the power gummies also. That one is also good, but I think Purna is the best one under affordable prices. That's why I go with this one. So I'm going to complete my second month. I have already finished my 15 days gummies, and fews are left on this bottle. So I like this one. You can definitely go with this one. So actually I'm a person who don't like to use conditioners. So if you like to use conditioners, you can choose according to your hair type. But I think if you use conditioner, you may face a hair fall issue. I don't know. Personally, I face this issue. That's why I'm telling this. But if sometimes when I feel that I have to deeply condition my hairs, so I go with the raw milk. So you can go with raw milk, or you can go with your conditioner which you like. But I'm a person who never skip serums. So I use 2 serums. One is from my childhood and one for my experiment from last 2 months. So the first one is Leave-On Hair Serum. I think most of the girls use this serum in their life for once. So you know how it works. It will definitely helps to detangle your hairs and makes your hair silkier and smoother. So the second product which I'm using from last 2 months is this one. This one is from Streaks, and I love this one. If you ask me that which serum I love both of these, but according to fragrance, I love this one because it have really a beautiful fragrance, and it will definitely going to help you for more than 4 to 5 days and detangles your hairs and make your hairs more silkier, which I like about this product. So these are the products and schedule I follow to make my hair stronger. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, don't forget to hit on the bell icon also, so that you get notified every time when I upload a video and you won't miss out any of my video. So see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.